everyone, Glama here. Welcome back to Glam It Up with Glama. The last time that I made a tutorial, it was about BB creams and DD creams, and I had done a little bit of research and I had found that what I needed for what I consider my problem areas was CC cream, and I said I wanted to try that. So I went out and I got an inexpensive CC cream. It's CC Correction Cream by Hard Candy. So this is what I got, and so that's what I'm going to try. I haven't tried it yet. It's going to be the first time with you guys I'm going to try it. Okay, so what I considered to be my problem area are my dark circles under my eyes, which they've gotten better just by using the BB cream, but since the research that I did said that CC cream is the way to go if you're worried about pigment, so this is what I'm going to try. I'm going to go ahead and put some on my brush, and I bought it in the color medium, so I hope it's not too dark. My CC cream was in light to medium, so we'll see. Ooh, it's kind of dark, but that's okay. Maybe it'll make me look tan. More tan. So here it is. Let me see, can y'all see a difference? Oh, I can see a difference from that side to that side. I hope I like it better than the BB cream. I'm only putting it on one side just because I want to see if I can see a difference. Do you see a difference? I didn't put enough on my brush though. I don't have enough for my forehead and my chin. So this was about $6 or $7, but I mean that might sound a little expensive. At least it kind of did to me until I went to the other brands and I saw that there were some for $15, and I can imagine way more if you go to a more high-end store. Like Sephora or MAC, then I'm sure it's even way higher. But I don't like to shop at those places. I like to see what I can find so that all of us average women can afford it. Okay, so this is this side. What do you think? It almost makes me look too yellow, does it? Well, I am Latina, but that definitely is more yellow than my natural color. What do you think? I'm going to go ahead and put it on both sides just to see how it looks. Ooh, I hope I didn't put too much. Well, last time I hadn't put enough, so I wanted to get enough this time. I think I got enough for 2 or 3 people though. I feel like I'm painting. I'm also I've always been very creative, so I'm also an artist. I paint, I draw, I sketch, so I kind of feel like I'm painting on my canvas right now. Which I guess you kind of are when you're putting makeup on, especially yeah, you start off with a clean canvas with no makeup at all, then you're definitely painting. And so this, to me, applying makeup is a form of art. Okay, I don't know. I almost think I like the BB cream better. This almost gives me too much coverage. Because I like the BB cream. Sorry, I'm looking at myself to make sure I get it all where I need it to go. I almost think the BB cream looks less like I have makeup on than this. Let me open the window a little bit more and see what I think. Ooh, no, now I look blue. Let's see. There's with the window open. The other way was the window closed. So I guess it does look good, especially with the window daylight. Let me know down below what you think. I think some of y'all are probably going to tell me it looks too yellow. I don't know. But that's that. But now it's on, so now I'm going to wear it for the day. And the last time I had just done the BB cream without any kind of, what do you call it? Can't even think of what it's called. Oh, concealer. Why was I having such a hard time with that word? Okay, now I can't find my concealer. Here it is. And it's also by Hard Candy. See? And I use this one if I want to look more natural. If I actually am going to apply a lot of makeup, I'll use this one to brighten my face. But this one I think matches my skin really well. So let's see how that looks with concealer. Maybe I do like the CC cream, I don't know. And you almost don't need foundation then if you're going to use this CC cream, I think. Because I think it looks pretty good just like this. What do y'all think? Let me get some over here where I have pigment that I don't like. Around here. And I have a little bit of redness on my cheeks. And I know that you're supposed to use this for redness and this like for like if your veins show a lot and stuff, but I don't have that much redness. Alright, well I think I like the CC cream. I don't know, what do you think? Let me know down below what you think, and let me know if you've tried a BB cream, a CC cream, or a DD cream, and let me know your experience with it and what you think of it. I'm wondering if I should just put more makeup on while I'm on here. But no, I think I'll just make this about the CC cream since I had told y'all that I wanted to try CC cream. So this is what CC cream looks like on me. And let me show you once again what it looks like. And it doesn't show the color right here, but I know that I bought medium. So that's what this is. Hard Candy CC cream. Alrighty guys, and it has a SPF of 15, and right now I'm in Texas, so that is perfect for Texas weather. Alrighty guys, talk to you later. Bye. I love you. Mwah.